Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm back in Tenerife and I've got the FujiFilm x100vi with me. I'm just going to have a walk into town and see what sort of shots we can get. Doing a bit of street photography as usual. Starting off with f8, 5/100th of a second and auto ISO. It's actually a nice sunny day today and I have a wander around with this lovely little camera and see if we can get some nice street photography. I think this statue on the left here is a great starting point. This will really look good in black and white, so I'm just lining it up. It's a good starting point. Just get used to the light. I like to have a warm-up shot. I'm quite happy with that one. So let's just walk. Oh, we'll get this chap here. That's a quick one. Didn't have a lot of thinking time there, but let's just get this scene. I'm still trying to warm up, get used to what the light's like with this camera. Yeah, I quite like that one. Let's just have a go over here where it's a bit more brighter. Get these little cactus that seem to be growing out of this wall. Okay, happy with that one. Now look at this tree. Oh, it's like a sculpture really, but in the shape of a tree. But I can just see a bit of light reflecting on it. I don't know if you can see that, but that's really good. Let's take a traditional tourist one, just as a record of where we are. Santa Cruz in Tenerife. Get this biker here. Let's just put that into landscape. And we get these people walking across. I'll have the bike on the left. Yep, happy with that one. Just get a bit of a look up shot here. I like the shadow coming off that sort of statue halfway up. So it's got the arm, and just like the look of that one. Bit of a street view, people walking down with their cases. Get this person with a hat, that looks good, next to the tree. I say person, people. Okay, we'll get a man at work here. Ah, I can just see this woman with a hat coming towards me. I'm going to get this one. She got quite close to me there, but I'm happy with that shot. Ah, I like the shadows over here. I'm going to see if I can get somebody just walking past. I think this would do. Just love how the shadow and the light is forming on those two doors there. It's like I like the shadows across here actually. Got the shadow of the tree and the buildings. I'm going to get a look up shot here. It's a Santander building. Just love the shape of these windows or the front fascia. Again, we've got more shadows. Really love the way the light is coming in on that one. Right, now I can really see a shot coming here. We've got two people walking towards me holding hands and two people walking away. I'm going to try and get them in the light. Yes, I think I've got that. Pretty happy with that shot. Had to work fairly fast. shadows here. I can see somebody taking photos in here, so I thought I'd get a nice shot of that one. Oh, look at this piece of artwork on the wall. I think I need to get a shot of that, maybe with that on the right and people walking past on the left, if I can just line it up right. Yeah, I'm happy with that one. Again, look at the shadows and the light here. Just got to get one across here. Just got to get this scene. Again, it's great with the light coming in, forming the shadows. A nice sort of V-shape piece of light. Just sets the scene nicely. I think I just need to wait for somebody to come round into this piece of light. These will do. I might get this chap up here, just at the cache point. Here we go. I just love again the light and the shadows on that wall. I get this, it just looks like the front of that digger's coming out of the shadow. I'll get one of this statue up here. Just find my position. I want to try and get the fact that it's above this car park. Just get into position here. Try and get the triangle at the bottom with the statue coming out at the top. That should be it. I'm not sure. Let's just do that again. I didn't really like that one. I'm going to put this into landscape rather than portrait. That's better. I'm happier with that one. Got the buildings each side. I'll get these people up here. That's it. Again, I'm going to put that in black and white because it's lovely. I love the shadows and the light again. Oh, I just love that building across the road there. Really colourful. Let's see if we can get a shot. Yeah, nice one. Okay, I'm going to get this tram coming past now. Thank you for watching, and if you like that video, please give me the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell so that you don't miss future videos. And I do look forward to seeing you on my next trip out.